Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today?
Today we're listening to Capital FM Radio 94.0 and 103.1 FM out of Colombo, Sri Lanka. Let's see what they're spinning.
பொத்தி வச்சு பார்த்துக்கிட்டே புரிஞ்சுதா புள்ள
ਨੀਮੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਕੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
Enjoy these songs at full length by following YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap. Thanks for listening.